Today we're going to talk a little bit more about verb tenses. So as you remember, present tense verbs are the same as the base form of the verb, but we might add s or es if we are speaking in the third person singular, as in he or she. So ask becomes I ask or he asks. That's where we would add that s. Present tense is used to express a constant, repeated, or habitual action, or a condition / general truth. So for example, erodes in water erodes rock is a constant. It just is always happening. Leon driving defensively is a habitual verb, right? That's what he does by nature of habit. Steel is an alloy is a truth. We also might use present tense if it exists only now, as in Clara seems interested. Seems there is connoting that, tomorrow she might not be interested, or if it were a different subject, she might be disinterested. Or I agree with you, meaning you're agreeing with that person on that particular issue. Past tense is used to express something that was started and completed in the past. And as a reminder, we would use an ed ending with a regular verb, and then our irregular verbs, we have varied endings, right? So examples of past tense verbs include everyone on the team swam well. There's your irregular verb, and it happened in the past. Or we won by a big margin, again, happened in the past. And then the regular verb, students slacked on their assignments. Hopefully, of course, you're not slacking, but if that were in the past, it would be slacked. And then the future tense, we would add shall or will to a base form of the verb, as in Hector will buy a car, or I shall finish my homework. So that's telling you it's going to happen in the future. That's what future tense is used. That is all you need to know for this week's tense grammar assignments. Good luck.